In this video, we are going to be doing a flyer for restaurants in Canva. Like I said, Canva is one of the simplest tool that you can use, even if you don't have an experience or a knowledge of graphic design. Whether you want to do simple flyer for your business or create for clients, you can easily make small money using Canva, even as a total beginner or somebody who don't even have experience at all. And in this video, I'm showing you step by step on how you can easily create flyer using already designed templates. Mind you, you can create from scratch if you know how to design. Maybe you are a pro, you can easily create from scratch, but this video is tailored for people who own business but don't have money to pay a graphic designer to do beautiful flyer for them. So, and people that are trying to learn how to create design, this will help them to learn and then know how to do one or two as a beginner. So if you are a pro, I know you consider watching another video that I'll be dropping on how to create your own flyer using your own idea from scratch with Canva. But in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use already designed templates, edit them to suit your need, and then export and use. Mind you, the best thing you can do is to get Canva Pro. It's very affordable. At least with 2,800 or 3,000, you can get the Pro version, which give you leverage to choose beautiful kind of designs, and I recommend that. But if you don't have money to pay for the Canva Pro, it's fine. You can use the free version to do beautiful thing as well. So I'll be showing you the free template and the paid template as we journey in this video. So let's continue. So you come to this way, you have search here. Yeah, this place where you have search, see that bus. So you're gonna type what you want to do. So let me say I want to create a flyer for restaurant. Like I say, I'll now say restaurant flyers flyer. I'll now search. By the time I'm done typing it, I'll just press search, and then it will start to give me different options like this to choose from. So it's not left for you to make your choice on the type you want. Depends on the one you want to use. Now if you look at this my screen right now, there are different types here, but the ones I'm seeing here right now are all pro version. And let me show you what it means to be pro. A pro version of any template here, you see it carries this kind of royalty sign that says pro. You see that royalty sign there that says pro. So me, I'm on the pro version, so I can use any of these beautiful templates I'm seeing right here. All I just need to do is to just choose the one I want and then change the food in it, and I am good to go. So let me quickly choose this very simple one. This one don't have much and it looks simple. I like this one. It's not over congested, so I'm going to choose this one like this, and then it will load. So it has loaded. You can see how beautiful this flyer looks. So all I need to do is just to start editing and changing the details on this flyer to meet up with my own design. So let's do it. We'll change the name and then put our write-offs and every other thing. So, and then change the food if we want. So let me see, these are snacks, so maybe we want to put some Nigerian dishes inside. So let's do this. As it is now, what I'll do now is to change. Like I said, you start changing things inside. You touch this one and click on this replace here. Yeah, so when you click on that replace, it's gonna take you to this place. Go into your gallery and choose. So I would like to replace that place with this nice soup here. I tap on it and then just watch how it will replace that. You see, so you can adjust your own if you want, but for me I think this is cool. Now the next one is this one. I'll replace this food too. I'm going to put this rice there, and then this place I'll replace it. I'm going to replace this one with okay, this soup, and then okay, doesn't make, because the soup looks similar to the one in the background, so I'll replace with it with maybe this stew here. So this is just for educational purpose. This is not a real restaurant flyer. So if you are doing a real restaurant flyer, the client or you yourself, you have images that you can use, you know, to replace these things or put in your design. Now I have changed the food totally, but you see this one here, I don't like the color, is not coming up again, so I'm going to change it to white so that it can come out well, because the kind of food I have there is different. So I want to change the name from fast food restaurant to let me name it Belle Food. I'll name it Eat Belle Food Restaurant. Now look at what happened, right? So you see that this one has cut into where we have our restaurant, so it's just for you to edit it. Okay, so I'll just hold this side here and adjust it this way. Adjust it to the right. It's moving. So now I've adjusted it. It's not like Eat Belle Food Restaurant. You can change the font size if you want. If you feel this thing is too big, you come to this place where you have font size here, tap on it and then reduce the font size a bit. So for me, I want it this way. Now I have my Eat Belle Food Restaurant here. This place where it says enjoy your favorite meal everywhere without going grilled chicken, and so it's listing the services. So I want to touch it, say enjoy your favorite meal without going anywhere. Now maybe I'm going to delete from here down here. Yes, so this place that says enjoy your favorite meal without going anywhere will remain there. Then I'm going to list out the services, the food we have in the kind of food we have in this restaurant. So I'll now say the swallow. So I'll put rice and stew. I'll put jollof rice. I'll put fried rice. Like this. I'll press enter to continue. I'm going to put continental enter dishes. Then I'll put uh, local dishes. Now, now I have it like this. So what we will do now is, for me, I've made a mistake. So you should always know when you made mistake. Try to press undo here. These two button up there. So now I have it this way. I'm going to make it bold. Yes, because it's very important for me. So I'll go to where we have format here. I'll tap on it and I'll click on this bold. So it's okay. I can increase the size a little. Then it's too much right now. So it comes out well now. So you say opens 9 a.m. so to 9 p.m. So this is the opening time. And then if you have a website, you can put your website, but if you don't have, you can put your social media handle here. So I'm going to just go to elements and I'll search for let me put social media icons so that I can get all of them at once. So this is Instagram icon. I'll tap on it to enter. I'll now reduce the size by holding the edge and dragging it down like this. Then I'm going to put it here, right? So I have my Instagram here. If I want to bring in Facebook, if you have a Facebook account, you can do the same thing and bring it, but for now I'm going to put only Instagram, and I'll say it. Instagram is at it Belleful underscore restaurant. So that's it, and then I'm going to change it to small letter here. So once you're done, that's it. So by this we are good to go. So this place I will have phone number. I'm going to change the color here now to orange so that thing can come book now, and then I'll put my phone number 70357663330. So plus 234, because people can get across to you from outside. So that's my real number, and then this is just for tutorial purpose. You can put more details if you have, and then when you are done like this, the next thing you have to do is just to download your flyer and use it. So you press download. It's saving, preparing your design. See that?
I will share a secret with you on how you can get Canva Pro without breaking the bank. Just join my community in the description.
So this is how you do. By the time you are done, like you download it like this, you can now call it a day. So if you find this tutorial helpful and you learn something from it, please do well to like this video, share it to more people, and subscribe to my channel, because in the next video I'll be showing you how you can animate everything you have on this flyer, that it can be animated just like motion graphics to give it more aesthetic look. So do well to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos, because on this channel we do a lot. Go through the channel, you'll be seeing different type of video that will be helpful to you. Subscribe and see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.